Okay, now let's take a look at this problem. In this machine, if we type VCS space FA get label.v and test FA.v, you will see that this is just a warning. We don't need to worry about it. But I need to check this file first. I need to make sure that this is bash. You need to always link bash to sh. The original file is dash, right? Remember, dash. I already tell you to convert it, but it tells you that you do not have this file. However, when you type ls-l, this file, actually this file exists, right? This file exists, but why didn't it show in this? Why did the system tell you that this file is not such a file or directory? And you can see this is an executable file, so we can run this file. If you type this, if you copy and paste, run this file directly, it will show you that this file cannot execute. What should we do now? This is because this file is not a 64-bit executable. Let me show you what happened. If you type file, this file, if you type a file, it will show you that this is actually a 32-bit executable. However, your system is 64-bit, right? Your system. So what should you do? 我的书有这个武功秘籍，可是你们都没有在看我的书，所以就算了，不会就算了。我写我的书不是在骗钱的啊，我写我的书是在留我的经验的。在我的书里面，这个不是这一本书了，这个在我的书里面，在64位元 Debian Linux 底下支援32位元软体，这个是在我的书的第6章。贵实验室没有我的书的，自己想办法。那我把这个地方截取出来给你看。This is a 32-bit executable. However, our system is 64-bit environment, right? You need to first print foreign architectures to check if your system. Let me show you. You can type this command. Your system did not add 32-bit executable yet. We type dpkg print foreign architectures. There is nothing, and the dpkg add architctctye386. dpkg add architctctye386. Then dpkg print. Then this time it add support to 386. Okay. Now your system apt-get update. We need to update apt-get update. We need to apt-get update first, and we need to apt-get install libc 6 i386. Then you can run this command again. You can run this command again. Then it will show you the same error message, like me. 这个时候你才会遇到我同样的铁板，我再来讲怎么解决这个铁板，你知道不？